In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to disassemble a first generation Xbox One console. So what you'll need to get started is a T8 driver, a T10 driver, non-security, and 2 flathead screwdrivers. I recommend 2. You could use 1. I've used 1. It's a 1/4 and an 1/8 inch flathead, which is what I'm going to be using in this video. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what you want to do is pull this, and this grill just pulls straight off like an Xbox 360S. The grills are exactly the same. So then you want to push down on this piece. Well, actually, you want to take this piece off first. I almost forgot. Then you want to push this down until you hear a click. Okay, so after you get the flathead screwdriver wedged in there, what you want to do is there's a clip right here on the back, so just put your screwdriver in there, and then there's a clip right here, right behind that. You can see this next one here. I can get it. There we go, I got it. This next one. Alright, so once you get that, you'll want to keep it from closing again. Open it up. I'll spin it around so you can see. We want to open it up this way, towards the front. There's no other way to open it. And then there will be a ribbon cable right there. You can see it. This one right here. And I can't really show on video how to take it out. I'll show after the fact. What I like to do is pick up the front just enough to where I can see it. Pop this blue plastic off. Oh, and there we go. See, this got this. It's got this blue transparent plastic on it. You want to pick this up around that connector and pull it out. And here's the connector. So it would be like that transparent plastic be around it. So you just want to pull this beige plastic out like that, unhook that plastic, and then the cable pulls right out. Alright, so after this you want to disconnect these antenna wires. We'll need the T8 driver for this. So we want to take out these 2 screws on the Wi-Fi card. And the Wi-Fi card will pull up. There's the connector right there, so don't pull up on the corner because that will break it. I just like to hold it like this and just walk it back and forth until it comes out. Alright, so we're going to switch over to the T10 driver and take out every screw that's marked with a C and then a number. So there'll be 8 of these screws you have to take out. Alright, so after you take those screws out, the top plate should be loose, but be careful, don't yank it off just yet, because there is a cable right down here. We'll need to just pull it out like that. Let me just set that aside. Okay, so now we're in the guts of the Xbox. If you want to do a hard drive repair, it's right here. The fan heatsink obviously is right here. And then we got the Blu-ray drive. I don't know if y'all could hear that. I have a sketchy hard drive I'm trying to back up, and it was buzzing really bad. So I think it was about to die. But anyway, let's get back to the disassembly. So remove the hard drive. You want to just pull the SATA up. There's no locking connector, and then the power that will come out. DVD drive's the same. We got our power here, data, and the DVD drive will just slide right out. So in order to get it out of the bottom case, bear with me, it's the most difficult process ever. That was a lot of work. And then to remove the motherboard, you want to take out these two T10 screws here, these silver ones, these two T10 screws. So anything that's marked with a B, those you want to take out, they're T10. These A screws, they're A1 through 4. These are T8s, which hold in the X clamp. These 3 screws for the front board are T8s. If you want to take that out, they're T8 screws, they're pretty easy. If you gotta take the motherboard out, obviously you need to take those out. Okay, so we just do the process in reverse. Now I'm gonna put it back together. But anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and please consider subscribing to my channel. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is just crazy to me. I didn't even think that many people were interested in the same stuff I am. But anyways guys, thank you for watching the video, and have a great day.